As PlayStation fans, we have been scratching our heads, asking ourselves questions about what the software of PS5 actually looks like. And thank God, Sony has started providing some of these details. And though it doesn't answer much about the questions we all have, but anyway, in this new video, the company showed us details about some elements of the PS5's interface, which included things like quick resume, a new notably control center pop-up menu. A lot of things were shared, and I'm so excited to share them with you. And without wasting any time, let's get right into the video. And starting with this new amazing control center pop-up menu, first of all, the feature is accessible by placing the PlayStation button on the PS5 DualSense controller, which will allow you to quickly see who is online, check the status of pending downloads, managing power, and viewing your controller's battery life. And by pressing that button too, it will also bring a host of cards that allow you for quickly seeing recent stories from publishers of games as they explain, and how far long you are in the game when you're playing it. It can also show you how much time in minutes it should take you to complete certain tasks. Estimates are personalized through how long you've been playing the game or how often you play the game, I think. And in Sackboy, as an example, they showed each level has its own activities or cards viewable in the control center that allows you to jump right into a specific moment, levels, or challenges, which is amazing. But that will be available when a developer enabled it during the game development. Also, the control center will show you hints for how to complete missed tasks or objectives, allowing you to jump right into the game without even going to Google or YouTube to search for tutorials, which is absolutely amazing, guys. Just imagine having a personal assistant to assist you in difficult times. This is very amazing. This is a new feature. There are certain times when you're stuck at a certain level and you have no clue or idea, and you just need to go to YouTube or Google to search for like someone who played the game in order to get a clue, but say goodbye to those difficult times. Though you have to be a PlayStation Plus subscriber in order to access this. Also, some of these cards can be placed in picture-to-picture mode or side-by-side view, which is amazing also. This will help you to assist you as you play the game. And when it comes to notification, let's say if a friend wants to voice chat you, it will appear as an overlay in the upper right corner, which is amazing. Also, chats can take place with a friend who has a PS4 or PS5, or even on a mobile app, a PlayStation mobile app. And if you have no headsets, don't worry, cause your controller has a built-in mic and speaker, which is amazing. And thank God, if you're someone like me who hates pecking on letters, like writing messages, pecking on each letter on a screen using a joystick, say goodbye to that, cause right now written messages will be able to use this new dictation feature, which is amazing. That way you won't be able to be pecking or hunting for letters, which is now awesome, guys. Also, other things, you can use your voice like to just say something and it will get dictated on the screen, which is also amazing. And other things like sharing of game clips or screenshots between friends has just gotten better. The PlayStation 5 now automatically records the last 60 minutes of your gameplay in 1080p, which is amazing. Just in case you forgot or you just want to do something with it. You will also be able to record up to an hour of 4K by just pressing the create button on your PS5 controller, which is amazing. Because I remember for the PS4 you could just record a 1080p video, which wasn't even looking great. I don't know if That's the right word. But it wasn't even looking great after you record it. It will look great while playing on smaller devices, but on TV it could not look actually great. But thank God right now you can record your gameplay and in 4K, which is amazing. And you can also share real-time footage of your games with friends. In addition, you'll be able to also edit your videos using the cursor, which is also great. And you'll be able to also share your clips and screenshots directly to third-party social media sites like Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, and many others. Also, if the screenshot or game clip you are sharing contains what the developer thinks might be a potential spoiler element and your friend owns the game, the system will automatically notify your friend before they open that video in case it contains spoilers that might ruin their game experience. Also, that will apply to you too, just in case they sent you to. For the entertainment apps, not much was shown in details, but we all know some confirmed like apps which are automatically going to be on the PS5 due to the media remote we saw earlier during the first look at the PS5, like that live stream. Yes, we all know that YouTube, Disney Plus, Netflix, and Spotify are all confirmed to be on the PS5. And right now, not making the same mistake as they did on the PS4, now the apps have their own separate menu or tab, which is amazing. So they won't appear on your main screen, they'll live in their separate media tab, which is amazing. The games also will have their own separate tab, they will appear in the games section, which is amazing also. So I'm looking forward to start doing videos like this. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments, and if you think this video was informative, please smash like. It really inspires me more to create more content like this, because I create it for you guys to watch. Also, if you have any question, let me know in the comments. I'll be more happy to answer each and every question personally. And with that said, till next time, bye bye. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.